Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word husky in depth. First, the definition. Husky means a strong, energetic dog breed known for pulling sleds in cold regions. Think of it simply as a powerful, snow-loving sled dog. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Husky traces back to huskies, a term used by early Arctic explorers for indigenous sled dogs. Over time, it's been used by explorers and dog enthusiasts. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use husky in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The husky pulled the sled across the snowy landscape with great speed and endurance. Correct example 2. Our husky loves to run freely in the winter snow. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to husky my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using husky correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Husky means a strong, energetic dog breed known for pulling sleds in cold regions. It comes from a term early explorers used for sled dogs, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with husky down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.